this is Chandra from Definitive Brands Group, and today we're going to be looking at our SuperPure filter jug. So it's a very simple, cost-effective unit to use. It comes like this pretty much straight out of the box once you remove the packaging. How this filter operates is you push the top button over there, you'll see it opens up. You can fill the unit up with water until this top tank is full, and then you simply wait for the water to filter down through your internal filter into the jug. Obviously, keep in mind that if you fill the jug above the filter cartridge, you might have some water pushing back through into your source tank. So we recommend only filling the unit to about this 1.5 litre line, ideally. If you do need to replace the filter, it's very simple. You can just take off this top cap, and then the filter inside simply lifts out. We sell the replacement filters. They look like this. It's also compatible with Brita Maxtra filters, but we sell them in packs of 1 or packs of 3. You literally remove the filter from its packaging, remove the bottom sticker, you'll see it has a seal, and place it back into the unit, push it down firmly. And you'll see on the replacement filter there are instructions regarding flushing procedures. Usually you just have to run 1 or 2 jugs of water through before you use the filter for the first time, and then it is good to use. So it's a very practical, low cost, easy to use filter.